Hey there, my name is April Jensen, and I just wanted to let you know about Sculpt University. So what is Sculpt University? Well, basically, it is a collection of all the different videos and tutorials that I've created over the last 15 years. I have reduced the price significantly so it can be very affordable. I gave it a lot of thought about what I wanted to do with this community, and what I want most is to be able to reach as many people as possible so I can help them learn to sculpt as well. Years ago, I was not an artist. I didn't know anything about sculpting other than I liked to play in the sand and create faces and heads and, different things there using my hands. I never thought about being a sculptor because, while I had some artistic talent, I didn't seem to have nearly as much as my family members did, so I just kind of figured I didn't really have that much creativity. Well, then came the day that I first saw a one-of-a-kind fairy, and I fell in love immediately. So what I did is I found a few of the tutorials and DVDs that were available at the time. I ended up learning from Patricia Rose, who I'm very, very grateful for. And I learned how to create a mermaid and a fairy. And the rest is history. I was hooked. So I was able to use those skills, and I had a lot of motivation and determination just because I loved the dolls so much. And I was able to create my own online business and to be able to work at home to take care of my children. And especially when I became a single mother with 6 kids, it was really helpful to be able to have something I could do from home and be able to be with my children. So I just wanted to let you know I'm trying to make it as easy as possible for you to be able to access all these tutorials and give yourself the skills that you need. All you need to do to join is scroll down on our front page to join Sculpt You Now, click the button, and then it will take you to our checkout page. Then here you can choose the different memberships. Currently we have a special going on, so be sure to visit the front page of Sculpt University and you'll be able to get that code so you can get a good discount here. You're also welcome to join free, and then you'll be able to enter our community area and participate and learn more about what's going on with sculpting. I hope that this is helpful to you. I'm learning to simplify things as much as possible, and I think using online tutorials and working this way where the content is given to you immediately is the best thing I can do. So feel free to stop by today and take a look at all the things that Sculpt University has to offer. I will just show you right now real quickly. When you scroll down on the front page, you can do 2 things. You can sign up for a free 10-day e-course that will be about sculpting and the sculpting business. You can read and learn about Sculpt University and what it's for exactly. And then you can look through our different tutorials that we have. Now, a lot of these are created by Jack Johnston as well, who I have worked closely with over the past several years. So you're welcome to scroll down and see what content is inside. Normally, most of these sell for around $50 or $60. Some are just $35 or so. But you'll be able to access all of these for either a low annual or monthly payment and be able to take as long as you need or as short as you need to be able to have access to all these videos. You can also purchase them one at a time if you would like to be able to have continual access without having to worry about a membership. However, if you're going to be spending maybe about $30 or $40 a month learning to be a good sculptor, this is a perfect way for you to be able to get so much information at a low price. Anyway, thank you so much for joining me. I hope that you'll be able to stop by our forum soon and say hello.